Ah, damn. That was weak. You might be able to hear the squirrels outside, or now it's a bird. Maybe it could be both. Whatever. Yuck. That was kind of nasty. A piece of popcorn just came out of whatever the soft parts there, but like the part of the kernel. I don't know what it exactly is called. The new PS5 event's gonna happen in a few hours today, about 2 hours from now. So I want to do that. I'm kind of excited for that. I'm very curious what they're gonna announce. I assume that they're gonna show the console and everything, but the games. Do you think that Red Dead 2 is gonna get announced to get a remaster for it in some other Rockstar game too? I love the look of the new PS5 controller. Looks nifty. I wonder if the console is gonna look similar to it. I'm gonna go out with a bang. There's also a theory, that, not really a theory, but some people think they might say something about GTA 6 there, which I think could definitely happen. Like, I was watching a video from a guy named Zach Cox, and he was talking about, what if at the very end they show like a black screen with GTA 6? I think that'd be kind of cool, because it's a few years out, but I can't wait for that to happen. Can't wait for the show in